but I am born in green color. Nourishing pearls are fixed in my stomach. When consumed, you will get energy back up. I have a crown but not a king. I have a tail but not a fish. Overall, I provide all nutrients. Guess who am I? I am the cute lady's finger. I come from Malvaceae family. My scientific name is Ebelmoschus esculentus. People in the western countries call me Okra. Good day to everyone. I, Leander Bosco of Standard 6C, present before you to say some of the benefits of okra. Medical uses. There is ongoing research about the different uses of okra. One study explored the effect of okra extract on gestational diabetes mellitus in rats and its probable molecular mechanism. It was found to improve the blood sugar levels of the pregnant rats with the disease. Okra is also high in fiber. About 8 medium-sized pods are estimated to contain 3 grams of fiber. Nutritional value: 24 calories, 1.33 grams of fiber of protein, 4.48 grams of carbohydrates, 0.14 grams of fat, 82 milligram of calcium, 0.62 milligram of iron, 57 milligram of magnesium, 61 milligram of phosphorus, 0.58 milligram of zinc, 299 milligram of potassium, 36 microgram of vitamin A, 23 milligram of vitamin C, 0.27 milligram of vitamin E, 31.3 micrograms of vitamin K. Health benefits of okra: helps to improve digestion, helps to control asthma, helps to lower blood pressure, helps to control obesity, helps to improve digestion, helps to control asthma. Good for your eyes, good for your skin. Controls diabetes and prevent kidney disease. Strengthens body immunity. Prevent constipation. My dear friends, I hope you all understood the benefits of lady's finger. So now take your basket, run to the market to fetch your favorite lady's finger. Get a slender structure to have a wonderful future. Thank you.
Good evening, miss. Today I am going to tell about the vegetables. This is a carrot. It is in orange color. It has no seeds. It has vitamin C. The vitamin C helps us to see in the night. It grows in woody many. This is tomato. It is in red in color. It has small seeds. It is very healthy to eat. The tomato has vitamin C. This is a chili. It will be in green and red color. This is green in color. It has small seeds inside. It is very spicy. It has vitamin C. This is ginger. It is brown in color. It has no seeds. It is a medicinal plant. It uses when we got cold. It cure it. It is a medicinal plant. It has no seeds. This is a potato. It is in brown in color. It has no seeds. It has many carbohydrates. It is very healthy for our body. It is very hard. It is a brinjal. It is violet in color. It has many seeds. It has vitamin C and vitamin K. It is very healthy our body. Thank you, Miss.
Good morning everyone. I am Nitin Abhinav from 6C. I am going to tell you about a root vegetable, sweet potato. Sweet potato is an underground tuber. Sweet potato is also a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins and minerals. It is also rich in antioxidant called beta-carotene. Antioxidants can help prevent various types of cancer. The fiber content in sweet potato can help prevent constipation. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C helps improve skin health. Potassium decreases the risk of heart disease. They can be eaten by baked, boiled, steamed and fried. Eat many sweet potatoes and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I am Nitin Das from class AB. I am going to explain about preparation of oxygen gas using hydrogen peroxide. For this experiment, materials needed: conical flask, manganese dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, water, delivery tube, gas jar. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is colorless, heavy, strongly oxidizing liquid. Its chemical formula is H2O2. It is highly unstable. It is used in the preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory process. Some manganese dioxide and water is taken in a conical flask. Hydrogen peroxide is added dropwise to the vessel's funnel. We can see that the oxygen comes through the delivery tube. Oxygen gas is collected by downward displacement of water. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Hydrogen peroxide gives water plus oxygen. Uses of oxygen. Oxygen is the chemical element with the symbol O and atomic number 8. Oxygen is used by plants, animals and human beings in the respiration process. During respiration, oxygen breaks down food and to give carbon dioxide, water plus energy. Tanks of oxygen are used in medicine to treat people with breathing problems. During photosynthesis, green plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Common uses of oxygen include production of steels, plastics and textiles, brazing, welding and cutting of steels and other metals, and diving, etc. Thank you.
I am S. Jerome Richard from 8th Standard A section. Now I am going to show about the preparation of oxygen using hydrogen peroxide. Oxygen is one of the main gases present in the Earth's atmosphere. The amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere is 21%. Oxygen is a colorless, tasteless and odorless gas. I set up the apparatus as shown here. I take some manganese dioxide and water in this jar. Then add hydrogen peroxide and drop it from this funnel. Its chemical formula is H2O2. It is used for preparation of oxygen. To collect oxygen, I set up these things. We may see that the oxygen gas comes out through the delivery tube. Oxygen gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. Result is 2H2O2 gives H2O2 is equal to H2O plus 2 O2. Hydrogen peroxide gives water and oxygen. Now I am going to tell about the merits and demerits of oxygen. Merits. Oxygen is used for the persons for survival. Oxygen is essential for all living beings. Oxygen is also required for creating energy. Oxygen is used for various industrial purposes. Demerits. Oxygen becomes toxic if used on high concentrations, that is 100% pure oxygen. Thank you for viewing this presentation.
I am Manoj Kumar from 8A. I am going to explain about methods of producing oxygen. Introduction. Oxygen is one of the basic chemical elements. It consists of 21% share in the air. Oxygen is a vital gas for living beings. We know oxygen is important, especially during the COVID-19 period. So oxygen is in the air, patients require direct oxygen support for their survival. Apart from life-sustaining element, it is also used in many industrial, commercial, medical and scientific applications. Since oxygen is vital for our living beings, let's see the method to produce oxygen. To produce oxygen, hydrogen peroxide used for. Materials required: funnel, hydrogen peroxide solution, glass jar, manganese dioxide powder, tube, water trough, oxygen gas. And as we saw the experiment, the gases should be filled with water and manganese dioxide. Now drop the hydrogen peroxide to the funnel, leading to the glass jar. Oxygen gas is produced by the composition and comes out to the delivering tube.
Oxygen gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. The chemical composition of oxygen is produced is hydrogen peroxide equals to water plus oxygen. H2O2 equals to H2O plus O2. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Joel Matthew Reggie from 8th A. Today I'm going to show the preparation of oxygen gas at home. So inside of this I have used the bottle's top part, 2 razor blades as metal connected to a wire and 2 pipes. As chemicals I am using, inside this bottle I am using plain water mixed with sodium bicarbonate, and outside I am using magnesium sulfur mixed with distilled water. And as we also need a power source, for that I am using 7 9-volt batteries connected in series. So now we are going to add in a little bit of sodium bicarbonate. And now we are going to close the lid. Now we are going to use the 9-volt battery as a power source. So we are going to connect it into our metal pieces, and the chemical reaction should start. As we can see, the bubbles have started forming from the metal pieces. Now if you wait for a few minutes, the gas have started to come up. Now as we can see, the gas have started to come up on this side. On this side we have the oxygen gas, and this side we have the hydrogen gas. So for the hydrogen gas I'm just leaving it outside, and the oxygen gas, for that I'm going to, for testing the oxygen gas, I'm going to be using a small piece of paper into the tube. Now as we can see, the air pressure is very low because I am using such a big tube. If I have used a smaller tube, as we have seen in the experiment, the oxygen which is produced by the experiment can be used in industrial purposes but not in medical purposes. Thank you.